Hi there, I'm Manoj and welcome back. In this video, we'll look into environment variables, how to create them and accessing them using your Python code. So first of all, why do we need environment variables? So whenever you're using some sensitive information in your code like IDs and passwords and you don't want others to see them when you share the code on GitHub or any other platform. So this is where environment variables come into the picture. So let us first look into how to create environment variables. To create environment variables, go into Start and open the Control panel. You need to go into this thing called Systems and Security, and you need to go into System and select the Advanced System Settings option. And you can see here a small button called Environment Variables in the right corner. And there we are. There are two types of variables here, user variables and system variables. For our task, user variables will be enough. So let us create a new variable called Gmail ID and provide the value of the variable as your Gmail ID. And OK, and a variable is created, and you need to provide another variable for your password. I'm going to create a variable called Gmail pass and provide the value for that variable. And OK. And there we are. We're done creating the variables, and let us now access them using our Python code. So in order to access these variables, you need to import the OS module first, and using the os.environ function and get the value you require. In this case, I'm going to get my Gmail ID and password. And after creating the environment variables, you need to restart the script again. And I'm going to open it again. And let us check if this thing runs now. And there we go. We can see the Gmail ID and password accessed using your Python script. So I hope this video is helpful. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos. That's it for this video, and I'll meet you in the next one.